Stocks spending most of the session Monday in the red on Wall Street. Got the S&P 500 down near 2788, down about 0.5%. Time now to talk more about the markets with Jamie Desmond. So the market's back in the minus column today. What's behind the negative sentiment among investors?
I think the sentiment is left over from Friday. It was quite a shakeup in the market to see the 3-month and the 10-year inversion, if you will, on the yield curve. This is an early sign, generally speaking, that a recession is to come. We more closely watch the 2-year versus 10-year, and that number is within about 12 to 14 basis points today. So not quite inverted, but it has really been getting close to something that we're going to have to look at very closely.
And Jamie, looking at that inversion, the yield curve, how worried should investors be at this point in the market cycle?
Well, I think fear is actually overtaking greed of investors these days. So we feel that many investors are more cautious based on previous history. And so therefore, we wouldn't say that today is a day to be concerned and Friday's movement is not to start the recession. From most indicators, certainly when that inversion occurs, that means a recession is going to come in about the next 12-month period. However, the S&P has actually returned 15% in the last 5 recessions we've had from when that inversion occurs until when the actual recession begins. So no need to panic and take your foot off the gas yet. But you as an investor and we as investors are watching the market and the data very closely to see as those indications might come in the near future.